Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some delicious apple fritter loaves. I already made the first one because I wanted to practice, but now I'm ready to do it. So these are the ingredients for the cake itself. We're going to be using a stick of butter, half a cup of sugar, tablespoon of vanilla, two eggs. We're going to mix that together, the wet ingredients, and then we're going to mix the dry ingredients, which is a cup and a half of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to be using milk, buttermilk, 1 cup of buttermilk. All right, so let's get started. Without further ado, we're going to be, let me point the camera to what I'm doing. In this bowl right here. Okay. In this bowl, we're going to be combining our softened butter. Okay. Then we're going to combine our sugar. Okay, and then we're just going to beat that. So it's fluffy. You can get your butter more softer if you put it in the microwave. Okay, that's pretty fluffy. All right, now, next we're going to add our eggs, one at a time. Okay, 1 egg. Then we're going to beat that egg in. Okay, now we're going to add our other egg. And we're going to beat that in. We're going to add in our vanilla. Okay, our last wet ingredient is our buttermilk. Pour your buttermilk. I didn't have any buttermilk, so I took some whole milk and I added a tablespoon of vinegar, and that makes buttermilk. Mix that together. Okay, now I'm going to scrape the sides of this pan. Make sure it all gets mixed in together. I'm sorry, the side of this bowl, not pan. Sometimes I get my words mixed up, but it's okay. You guys know what I mean. Scrape the sides of this bowl. Now we're going to stir again. We're going to mix. One more good. Okay, those are our wet ingredients. Next, we're going to go to our dry ingredients, which is going to be our flour. Get another bowl. You're going to mix your flour. And you're going to mix your baking soda, baking powder, and your salt. Okay, just get your spatula and just mix that all together. We're going to slowly add this to this mixture. A little bit at a time. So we'll combine. And that's going to be our cake mixture. Now for your apple mixture, you're going to take a half a cup of, you're going to have your apples sliced already, and you're going to add a half a cup of brown sugar, and you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, and there you have your mixture for your the top part of your pie, your cake. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit in right now, and I'm going to mix it. Add a little bit more. Mix it. Add a little bit more. Make sure you mix it well. And the last part of it, make sure you mix it well. I'm going to stop this long enough to scrape the sides of the bowl again. With your spatula. Okay, then you're just going to mix it in again. All right, so that's ready. It's done. Stand my bowl. Mix that right there. Okay, now I'm going to get my loaf pan and we're going to grease it and get ready to fix that part. Okay, I'm going to be using my Ella Dishes It Out loaf pan. So I've sprayed it down with the cooking oil. All right, now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use half of our batter. Excuse me. We're going to use half of our batter in this pan. Okay. Then we're going to put our cinnamon apple brown sugar mixture, half of this in here. Just half. Okay. Now we're going to just spread it and push it down in there. That's how an apple fritter looks. You guys know what an apple fritter looks like. Then we're going to put the other half of the batter. And we're going to make some nice powdered sugar icing to go on top once it's done. And this will be a great meal for breakfast, brunch, or a late night snack. Or potluck. Be great. People always forget to bring breakfast at potlucks. So this would be a great meal for breakfast at a potluck or a family gathering. All right, so we got that. Now we're just going to spread this a little bit. Not much. And then we're going to add the remaining of our apple cinnamon brown sugar swirl. Now you can feel free to swirl it if you want to, or just leave it on top. I think I'm going to swirl this one. Just a little. Okay. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake in the oven, 350 degrees, until brown and done in the inside. Stick a toothpick in the middle, in the center. If it comes out dry, you know it's ready. To the oven we go. Okay, here's the cake, the apple fritter cake. Here's, I'll slice the apple fritter cake, and here it is. Let's taste a little bit of it. Just grab a little piece right here. That is so good. This would be a great meal for breakfast or brunch. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning to my channel. Ella dishes it out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit.